Okay, now since we have a few more minutes for the markets to give us the pre-opening rates, we have an important conversation lined up with you. On Thursday, at the time of the monetary policy, the Reserve Bank said that the permissible loan to value for gold loans will be increased to 90% for commercial banks, not for NBFCs. At the moment, the commercial banks are allowed only 75%. We did have a public sector bank, Hindi, telling us that actually they were belaboring under a disadvantage because they did not calculate interest, and therefore it has only been corrected. But the gold loan companies have underperformed since Thursday. VP Nandakumar, Managing Director and CEO of Manappuram Finance, joins us. Mr. Nandakumar, now that the public sector banks have got a slight, sweetener, will the competition be tough for you?
Good morning. This is an idea which we have been mooting for a long time. Whereas NBFCs and banks can grant unsecured loans, when the loan is granted against a secured gold, there is a restriction. So now, at least for the banks, it is gone up to 90% LTV. But it is denied for the NBFCs at this point of time. So there are two aspects. One, our business aspect. Two, the customer end. Our business aspect, we may not be affected soon because our average LTV is much below 60% now. Still there is a gap. But for the customer end, he is denied. Some of the customers, majority of the customers are more vulnerable at this point compared to a bank customer. So some of the customers, when they wanted, vulnerable customers, when they wanted a higher LTV, he cannot be given. So it's actually denied for the customer. So what I would welcome is there will be changes, and these shall be made applicable to NBFCs also.
Well, alright, so you're saying that Manappuram Finance and companies like yours may not be affected because the average LTV is anywhere below 60%. Do you also believe that banks may be reluctant to lend at this 90% LTV given the high risk involved and the sharp increase that we've seen in gold prices, and hence it may not impact as well?
No, the banks already have started advertising and sending SMS about higher LTV than 72%. So I believe that slowly they will all lend a higher LTV, at a higher LTV. But one point what I want to mention here is the bank's customers and the NBFC customers are of different profile. Our customer profile is relatively a small ticket for a shorter. Because at our counter, loans will be available in around 20 minutes time, maximum 20 minutes, even that. So the big customers may not take that much of time also. So, and the average life of the loan is around 2 months only. So they wanted to save their day, but from losing their job for a day. Whereas our counters usually open around 8:30, and the customer can leave the counter in 15 minutes. He may find it easy. And 20% of the loans usually get redeemed within the first month itself. And the second month, another 40%. This is the nature of the loan. So even if there are other benefits with banks, NBFC customers may prefer NBFC customers, and bank customers who want a long-term loan for a larger ticket, etc., they prefer bank. So the target.
Mr. Nandakumar, we are running out of time because the market is opening, but I wanted to ask you, therefore, what are your growth expectations now? I mean, I would assume that CSB will be breathing down your neck, and so will be Federal. They have chunks of gold loan business, and they are in your backyard. So will you be able to do a 21% loan growth that you did in the first quarter, or should we expect a scaling down for the rest of the year?
So what expectation all along is around 10-15% growth. This is what I have projected for the year, even before the implementation, even before the decision of raising LTV tax. So I will do that.
Okay. Also, we will leave it at that. Will you try reducing rates or something to attract attention, attract the customer?
No, we remain as it was before.
All right, we'll leave it at that. So thanks so much for joining us and giving us your views. That's Manappuram Finance saying that it may not be affected as much as the average LTV is anyway below 60%.
No, I think the average LTV is below 60 because they took gold when it was much cheaper. So at the moment it looks like that. I think,